Hello, I am back, and this time I will not be teaching you how to boil rice. I'd rather talk about the different types of basmati rice that you can find, and how to cook them, what are the differences in each of these grains, and what dishes are best with each type of rice. So shall we go ahead and do it? There are more than 20 different varieties of basmati, but not all rice is the same. So as you see here, there are 3 types of basmati that I'm talking about. Basmati, which means aromatic rice. So this is how fluffy this pure basmati turns out. It's a beautiful companion with a side dish with a curry, but again, you can use this for making biryani or pulao as well. It turns out very fluffy, with each grain separate from each other. Moving on to the brown basmati. So this is how this looks like. Normally rice has a husk, so it has this the outer covering, and when you remove the husk, is what you get is brown rice. And when you start polishing the rice, what you get is a white rice. So that's the difference between the brown and the white rice, and that is where a brown rice is considered to be a healthier version of rice, as it is unpolished. The bran layer remains intact in a brown rice and thus locks in all the nutrients, and it also has the fluffy texture. As you can see, it's something which I always love in my salads or any dish that I want to eat. The third one, which we spoke about earlier, the grand extra long basmati rice, and look at how fluffy and beautiful the rice looks like. And this is a rice which goes great with a biryani, a pulao, or a one-pot dish like a tehri. Because of the beautiful grain, it creates a wow factor. So every time you see a biryani and you're like, oh my god, this because of this kind of rice being used. So these are the 3 rice that I use in my kitchen. Let me know in the comments below what type of rice or basmati rice do you use, and if you have any experience that you would like to share. Till next time, bye.